Hi everyone, welcome to Digital Adhyapak. I'm Karthikeya Verma and today we'll be working on what is a domain name, how are we going to register the domain name, and what are the ways we can buy a cheapest domain name. Now first of all, I'll be covering with the theory part that what are the basic definitions and how are these different, what are the type of domain names. If you directly want to go to the practical part, that is how are we going to register a domain name on any particular kind of website like GoDaddy, HostGator or anyone else. So you can just check out the timestamp on description and you can directly go to that timings. Now what is a domain name? Let's start with that. Now let's understand what is a domain name. Basically, computer uses the IP address to point to any location. Let's consider website being a folder and web pages as its files under that particular folder. Now, whenever you want to call that particular folder, you go to a particular path on your computer, like my computer C drives particular folder and that another folder. Now, in domain names, what we do is your website is stored in a hosting in a particular server, and whenever you want to call that website, you have to point out to a particular IP address, that is the memory location of that website. Now, being humans, we can't always remember all the numbers. So the domain names were developed because it's kind of easier for us to learn the names. Now, domain name basically consists of two parts, that is TLD and SLD. TLD refers to top level domain and SLD refers to second level domain. First of all, every domain name is unique, as in we can't register the two domain names with the same SLD as well as TLD. In any domain name, the suffix, that is, for example, .com, .org, .in, .online, .photography. There are many new TLDs are also introduced in some time back. So that is basically the top level domain. And second level domain name is what we use to give a domain name, that is Facebook. Facebook is a SLD in facebook.com. In Google, Google is a SLD in google.com. Or if you take any government organization, let's say from India, it's gst.gov.in. GST is a second level domain and .gov.in is the top level domain, that is the TLD. Now let's understand the technical difference between the TLD and SLD. Now, basically, there are two different organizations, the NPOs, non-profit organizations. Those are ICANN and IANA. These are the organizations which are basically responsible for handling and maintaining all the domain names and internet related things in www and all the domain name related things. Now, let's say you want to find the domain name, that is facebook.com, in the domain names directory. So, how are we going to search it hierarchy wise? Top level domain, as in facebook.com, .com is the TLD. So, you have to find the TLD, that is the .com folder. Under that, all the .com domains will be listed. So, you have to first of all find the top level domain.com, then you have to find Facebook. Similarly, if it's a .in, so TLD is .in. So you have to find .in directory. Under that directory, you will be able to find all those SLDs. That is the any other URL or domain you have to find over there. Now, basically, there are two types of TLDs. One is GTLD, one is CCTLD. It's basically the very common difference between the two. TLD is global top level domain and CCTLD is country code top level domain. Names explains it all. GTLD is used globally. It's like .com, that is the commercial use TLD. We have .org for organizations, .info for informative websites, .edu for educational, .net for networking websites. And as you go for the CCTLDs, these are country specific. For like .in is for India, .co.uk is for UK. For Australia, it's .co.au. These are CCTLDs. Now let's understand how to register a domain name and what is the way that we can find a particular domain name at cheapest price. Now first we have to decide the TLD. What TLD are we going to use? Let's say you have commercial business, so in India, so you want to go for .co.in or .in or .com. Now that's on you. This really affects on SEO, yes, but we'll be covering that part in SEO area topic. So yeah, first we have to decide which TLD you want to use. Second, you have to decide what SLD you want to register, and search the availability via any online tool. For example, you can just go to the godaddy.com or namecheap.com. All the website domain name registration websites have these tools. So you can just go to the tool and you can check the availability of the domain name online first of all. For example, you can just go to GoDaddy, you can search GoDaddy on Google. You can just go to GoDaddy and you can search for the domain name. Like I'll be searching for, let's say, sports for me only.com. Yeah, that particular domain name is available. So now the price this particular domain name, this particular GoDaddy is showing is rupees 199. So the last question is, what is a way to get the cheapest domain name? And answer is very simple. I'll be very frank. You just need to research. This is the only way out. I'll be giving you a full example for this. As you can check, this particular domain name sports for me only is available for rupees 99 right now. Now this is only one time per user offer. If you purchase this domain and you go for with the GoDaddy with the same user account and you try to purchase a new domain name, you won't be able to get this particular price. So this is only a promotional offer, and every different web host company go for it. Go like let's say we have hosting Big Rock, GoDaddy, Namecheap, Reseller Club. There are many different websites. Every particular website is offering you a different price, and every of one of them is giving you different promotional price. They change their offers every day. Just for another example, I'll be searching for, let's say, dot online TLD, sports for me on dot online. Now this is available at rupees 99, the same price. But if you go for the namescheap.com, it's also a web hosting company. So that is providing me sports only for me.com at the rate of 671. But the same one, if I go for the dot online TLD, it is providing me at 96.72, and GoDaddy is providing me same that for rupees 199. Huge difference. Now Namecheap is also giving us a promotional discount of rupees somewhere around 30 rupees more. That will the full domain name will cost you, dot online domain name will cost you somewhere around 78-80 rupees. The promo code is 98 special. You can check it out while you'll be if you want to buy it from Namecheap. I'll be giving you the link of Namecheap domain name in my description. So every particular website is giving you different offers, different promotional offers. You just need to go to every one of them and check the latest price. You can check the coupon codes, you can check the um, promotional offers. If I'll be giving you some promotional offers over here, that won't help you, because if you'll be watching this video after a month after I will be posting it on YouTube, so you'll watch it after a month. That time, till that time, the promotional offer would have been expired. So the only way out is to research. Now the last thing I would like to say in this particular video is which are the best domain name provider companies throughout the world right now. You can go for GoDaddy, you can go for Namecheap, Hostinger. These are one of the best companies right now giving you the best services and best customer support. You can check out the links in description, and do follow and do subscribe to Digital Adhyapak. Click on the bell icon. Thank you.